Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bob's Reviews here in Manila, Philippines. This is another Lazada mailbag. I received this today. Let's get it cut open and see what's inside. I ordered a few items from Lazada, so we shall see what this one is. And this looks like a Vention cable. This is from Vention, Philippines. There's Vention Philippines and Vention China. I try to use the Philippines one when I need something right away. This I needed right away. This is for my iEast streamer. People on YouTube were saying how they could not find, they were complaining about two things. They couldn't find a replacement cable for it. So let me try to open this up. I think they taped it. Yes, they did. They taped it to the bag. So let's cut the bag. Now this is a USB, USB to 3.5, yes, to 3.5 millimeter barrel type power cord. I wish that iEast had a USB-C, but this is the cord they use. But what they gave me was a cord that was only 1 meter long, and it's gray. With my OCD sitting there listening to my music, all my eyes do is go to this gray cable, and it bugs me. And it's a little bit short, only being 1 meter long. It's not that long when you're trying to plug in multiple devices. So this is what we have. I got this in a 1.5 millimeter. It seems to be a good construction. Vention has been a very good company. I've ordered many cables from them before. Yes, 1.5 meters, correct. Ends are nice, very nice. They say Vention, Vention, very nice. There it is there, nice. They use 24 gauge copper, OFC copper wire. It's available in white or black. You can buy it in 5, half a meter, 1 meter, 1.5. I paid 100 peso for this with free shipping. It took 3 days to ship here. I'm waiting on my DSL cable, which I'll do an update video on that, and an update video on the iEast streamer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Everyone be safe. Take care. See ya.